Good morning, everybody from downtown Cincinnati. As you can see behind me, there it is, beautiful downtown right there. There's some more behind me here. I'm here for the Cincinnati Bengals game against the Las Vegas Raiders. I inherited tickets from my cousin David. Thank you, David. If you're watching the channel, I really appreciate it. Shout out to you. He even gave me a parking pass. How cool was that? Mrs. Boats is down there finding me some Bengals gear. I just saw a train going across the bridge, the Ohio River. I got a little bit of that. But hey, I'm going to talk about yesterday when I went down to Huntington for the University of Marshall football game. Marshall ended up winning the game. While I was on my way down there, I got a train in Ironton. I caught one or two in Canova, or at least one in Canova, and I caught one in Ashland. So we had some trains. I'm going to post that video up here. It'll be out tomorrow morning. But anyways, stay tuned for that, folks. Stay tuned for more today. All right, folks, good Saturday morning from Ironton, Ohio. I'm along Jefferson Street and Campbell Avenue. This time, not down by where I was before, by the old depot. There's some church folks down there doing some music stuff. But anyways, gates are going down. Look at that. They got an old bell. The fastest I've ever seen it move through here. I've seen him go real fast through here before. I have it on video. Look at this big articulated auto rack coming. That's like a house on wheels. Not the first one, this one right here. Look at that. Empty, but damn, that's big, man. Dang. Train here. I do see the end though. That's not the sheet metal you hear clanking around. Those are the couplers banging against each other. Shifting back into line. All right, there they go. Westbound. Towards Chillicothe, and eventually they'll end up in Columbus. Oh, yeah. The bell sounds what's going back up. Cool. There they go, past the point of where we were, where I was. Anyways, thanks for watching, folks. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, guess where I am? I want you to guess by the look of things. There's a homeless guy picking in the trash over there. Oh wait, that's my kid. Huh, that's weird. Look, here he comes. He's gonna ask for money.
No, I don't.
Alrighty, I've stopped in Canova on my way to Marshall. We got a, let's say a eastbound intermodal train on the track closest to.
Milepost 569.1. Main 1, no defects.
It's gonna be right here in front of me. Telephone poles running in the way, but yeah, it is what it is. Spot there. Alright, there they go. Trying not to film directly in the sun for you guys. There they go around the bend there. You can still kind of see them. Zoom in a little bit. It's amazing how quiet it can be here on a Saturday. Hit or miss. Was here about a few weeks ago, getting plenty of trains, but anyways, that's Canova for you. Thanks for watching. Left Huntington and now we're in Ashland again. We're going to grab some dinner on the way home. Marshall won the football game. You guys check out the Paramount. Isn't that cool? train coming, but these people don't know how to drive. Oh, look at that. Got a coal train. All right. Loaded coal train coming out of West Virginia. And of course, every other coal hopper's got Tubby on it. Every other one. Pull up to the Amtrak station in Ashland because I heard this guy coming. About to go grab some chow and heard the train coming. Train. DPU coming through. Whoa. Working hard. Working hard moving all this coal. See some of the coal dust coming off of these cars, even in the dark. Smell it. Smell the coal. There they go, westbound towards Maysville, Kentucky. And eventually north of Kentucky, greater Cincinnati area. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching on that one. We'll see you. Hey, everybody. I inherited tickets to the Bengals game today. And look over there. Got a train going into Kentucky. Cool. I'll be entering through here and be sitting down on the lower level. So that's exciting. Got the train over there. Got a couple cops over there. Some rifles that are waiting for some action if hopefully none pops off, but making us feel safe. Doing a good job over there, Cincinnati Police. That's the Sheriff Department. That's Hamilton County Sheriff. Cool. Hamilton County Sheriff making everybody feel safe. I appreciate it. Yeah, we got that train going over there. That's cool. Right. All these people. It's been almost 20 years since I've been to a Bengals game. Not quite 20 years, but I'm rounding it up. Look at all these people coming in down here. 60,000 folks gonna pack into the stadium, watch some football today. Much more than where I was yesterday, I'll tell you that much. Mrs. Boach is trying to find me some Bengals gear to wear. Yeah, that train's going in. They're done there. They were pretty short. Yeah, there they go. Catch the end of them going across the Ohio River. All right. Go over here. I'll show you all the people down there. Look at them all tailgating. This is just a small little park. But I yesterday went down to Huntington for the Marshall University football game. They played University of Louisiana Monroe. They beat them. It was like 28-23. Marshall won. But while I was down there, I ended up getting some trains as well. So, you know, we get those trains. We get the video rolling once we see those trains. Sorry, I'm a little taken aback by all this. I haven't been down here in so long. But anyways, yeah. I don't know what I was saying. I realized that I still had a video rolling for what I was doing. So besides the all the stadium that I've showed you, there's downtown Cincinnati. And a closer view for some of you that haven't seen it, that are from not this area. There is the Great American Tower over there with the tiara on it. Right there. I'm going to see you watch my videos. That's the Scripps building. PNC building's being worked on, and the old Cincinnati Enquirer building. I don't know if that's Enquirer anymore or not. But you got some other buildings around here. Gray, Messer's over there. You can see the Westin right there, and that's the Fifth Third Tower right there. That's where Mrs. Boach works. She's not there right now. Like I said, she's somewhere in that sea of people trying to find me some Bengals gear. Yeah, that's cool. That's downtown Cincinnati. That's the banks over there where that building is, straight ahead. And Great American Ballpark, you see over there, you see the light towers. And all these people tailgating and coming into the Bengals game. Kind of cool. Let's see what happens later today, folks. The channel's called Adventures with Joey Boats. It's not all about trains, but it's just the thing, you know. Stay tuned. Finally got another train. Well, I was wrong. I thought he was coming from the north. Dang echoes. Always that dang one-car rule. called Southern Covered Hopper. I don't know what that was. Huh. What is it, steel plates, pipe? DPU coming through. Alrighty-o. There they go. Another train horn. Can't tell what that was though. We're gonna find out. It was just him. It was just him. Yep. It was just him blowing at Marion. Anyways, thanks for watching, folks. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. This video is a mixture of all the stuff I did this weekend. I even mixed a couple trains in there that Mrs. Boach took from Columbus. And the flyover from the Bengals game, she took that. So the Bengals won, as well as Marshall did, so if you guys keep asking. But yeah, thanks for joining me today. I guys hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a little different, but I'm not going to be able to get out Monday till later, so we'll see what's going on there. But hey, like, comment, subscribe, share if you haven't done so already. Hit the little alert button right there. You hit the notifications for when I post. And if you have more time, please watch another Joey Boats video, because every video you watch really helps my channel, and I really do appreciate that. So, you know, and watch a couple of those ads, because if you watch a couple of those ads, that's what helps pay the gas, and they're really paying good right now, so I appreciate it. Home stretch with the political stuff, guys, so, you know. All right, so until we meet again, out there in the rails, have a good day.